Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Myo Inositol. To begin, start with a modest dose, often around 2,000 milligrams each day. This allows your body to adjust smoothly. Over the next few weeks, you can slowly increase your intake, paying attention to how you feel. Many individuals find their optimal daily dose falls between 2 and 4 grams. Always remember to discuss your specific needs with a healthcare professional to find the best starting point for you. Myo Inositol is known for its role in supporting healthy hormone balance, particularly benefiting ovarian function. It also plays a crucial part in improving insulin sensitivity, which is excellent for overall metabolic health. To truly experience these advantages, consistency is absolutely key. Make it a part of your daily routine. While some may notice changes sooner, many individuals report significant improvements after 3 to 6 months of dedicated, regular use. Patience is a virtue here. For optimal use, powdered Myo Inositol is easily mixed into a glass of water or your favorite juice. To maintain steady levels in your body, consider dividing your total daily dose into 2 servings, perhaps one in the morning and one in the evening. Taking your supplement with meals can also be helpful, as it may reduce any minor digestive discomfort. Always choose a high-quality supplement from a trusted manufacturer to ensure purity and effectiveness. Before incorporating Myo Inositol into your routine, it is always wise to consult with your doctor, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. While generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience mild side effects such as slight nausea or gas, though these are quite rare. Remember that patience is truly essential. The beneficial effects of Myo Inositol typically unfold gradually over several months of consistent use. Most people find it to be a very safe and effective supplement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.